Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't watch the previous vlog, this might not make too much sense to you, but if you did, then welcome back. Let's continue this journey. Enjoy. Hey sweet things, you guys are going to love me forever. You'll be obsessed with me. No, it's just a fact. I should be putting the same energy into remembering my room number, like I remember all the time. Let's go. So welcome back, guys. So at this point, we're still at Ocean Park, and we end up going to like Mall of Asia and a couple of other places. So that's what you see next. We are walking to the gate, and then we'll get a
Just clips.
horse. Guys, as you already know, I do not subscribe to riding animals, but Samantha is forcing me.
Okay, I'm gonna ride ka lesson. You're not gonna.
Samantha is forcing me, so I guess I've got to do it to make her happy. So we'll just manage like that. Okay,
down there.
so apparently my friends ordered this for me, so I'm getting in. Okay, so we gave him the phone. I actually thought he was taking pictures. And yeah, when I got my phone back, I realized that whoopsies, it's a video. So I guess guys, just enjoy the video. I mean, what enjoy it. Now you're worried.
It's so hot. Like it's really hot.
Now you're worried. It was your idea to ride it. Now you're worried about the horse. Okay, then let's get down.
I can hear him say that.
Okay, then let's get down.
Oh, are you sure? I am ready.
We decided to change our ride because we can't let the poor animals suffer. Basically doing all of this just to get to Mall of Asia. We had to ride a horse, ride the thingy, and walk to get there. You can imagine. Point, the guy told us he can't take us any further. That I guess our money was done, so we had to walk. We really walked, guys. We walked.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just walk straight and then let's see if we can see the Ferris wheel.
So guys, we got into like the mall itself. So this is the Mall of Asia. Apparently it's one of the biggest malls in Asia, and I think the biggest mall in the Philippines. Do your research, don't call me on that, but I think so. So this is how excited I got about food. So I love croissant generally, and I love pistachios. So you can imagine how I felt when I got like croissant, pistachio, or pistachio croissant. I was excited. So this is me being excited. This is my pistachio and chocolate croissant. And Samantha is having, what are you having?
Forgot.
Something from that croissant. We just kept walking around to look at the different places. The place is huge and they are really pretty places. So that's what we're doing. And when I came here, I fell in love with this place. So I took a lot of pictures over there. Okay, so guys, like I said, over here, Christmas comes early. So it's like October, trees are fully set up. It's a bit shocking. So guys, I'm going to walk into the Mac store to see if they'll have my shade. That will be a funny one.
Welcome to that.
Oh, you have a nice voice.
Thank you.
Nice. You have my shade.
For the liquid foundation or for the powder?
Everything.
Everything.
You think you would help?
I think so, but we're going to check first.
Yeah,
We
please.
have the stock. This one is NC65. You want to check both?
Yes, yes. Let me check.
But first, mom, you have your primer. You want me to put first
Yeah,
the primer,
yeah.
okay, before the liquid
Yeah.
foundation.
Hello, gorgeous. Hi.
So I'm gonna offer you the Hyper Real Serumizer. It's both primer and serum. It's gonna create a barrier with your moisturizer and your makeup.
As you can see, I still believe. Oh, there was hope. Oh no no no! Oh, I don't know why I do this to myself. Just wait and see how it turns out, guys. Just watch. Just watch her gas me up. She was gassing me up, and me too, I was excited. I was like, yes, let's go. Let's get this perfect
You're
stuff.
going to have your primer. So 1 to 2 pumps for your skin.
At this point, realization began to sink in, and then that's when I realized that, oops, same problem that always happens, either too dark or too light. I need to buy dark and mix it with my light, or buy light and mix it with dark already have.
Yeah,
This is
dark.
not
Yes.
easy. This is so dark.
I like this one. Yeah,
This one is better.
yes.
So this is still at the mall. The mall is pretty big, and there's like obviously the shop side, and then there's the carousel and all of these fun stuff. Ferris wheel, bumblebee, thingy majiggy diggy. That thingy that takes you to the top. Bumper card, and this is some weird girl looking at me. What's your problem? Hey.
Yeah, right.
And then this is a kids playing thingy. Guys, the sun is not playing today. Like, it's really giving. Like, giving here, giving there, giving here. Oops. At this point, yeah, we decided to go home because we had a long day. This is basically our last night here. I am hungry, so hungry. So I'm going to the restaurant to see if I can get like a really good fish meal. So guys, I ordered the Thai chili fish. It's 490 pesos. And this is supposed to be like expensive. Like it's an expensive meal. But like when I did a conversion, it's like 100 and let's just say a little close to 170 cedis. This is my meal, guys. I made a great choice. Let's eat it. Sweet and spicy. Okay, guys, so this is our last day. It's Monday morning. We are getting ready to go to the pool. This is my swimsuit. Nice one. Ready. Guys, my arch enemy. Of course, I will never forget the number again. Like 2109. There's no way I'll say 9012 again. Because my brain has been shocked. So basically, yeah, we are downstairs now. Going into La Pool. So go and be excited like little kids. That's what I do best. Being excited about things. Making noise, jumping, being happy. So at this point, I'm just taking you guys around, showing you the pool area. And yes, just letting you see what the outside view looks like. So apparently, y'all don't want to know. We're gonna do a blunder. Yeah, you should never do that. Like, go and eat before we come back here. Because they said the pool will be open at 9 and it's 8. On the bright side, it's more foods. So let's go and eat. It'll probably be the same breakfast as I had. It's breakfast number 2. Look at how I'm cheesing. Right. Today that I know my room number, they're not gonna ask me because there's no one here at the front desk. Can you imagine? I don't care. I'll just say it. Hi, there's no one there, guys. My room number is 2019. Haha, the guy just came. Haha, the guy just came. Hi. I wanted it so bad. It's happening. At this point, I didn't even waste time. Like, I didn't waste time at all. He didn't even have to ask me. Like, just watch. 2019.
2109.
2109.
I'm a clown.
I should be putting the same energy into remembering my room number. like I remember all the time. Guys, now that I'm done, I saw Samantha pull up. But guess what? We're not waiting. So guys, I am going to pool. Samantha said she's not coming. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera. Do I need to announce? Do I need to announce that I'm flipping the camera every time I'm flipping the camera? Okay, I have not pressed the elevator. Guys, you're asking my room number again. Hi, room number 2109. Guys, I got it right time. Alrighty, so we are here. So I'll probably go put my phone in the locker because, or let me just go. What is gonna get on my phone? Okay, let me see how deep it goes. Okay, I can walk here. This is literally my feet just touching, so this is fine. Show you around here. Okay, so I'm about to flip it. Hopefully I don't fall in here. But I'm taking a risk for you guys. Because if I fall, there goes my phone. It's very wobbly. Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble. Nope. Guys, I'm going back. I know myself, I'm a fall. And that'll be the end of my phone. Nope. Sorry guys. Even going back, it's wobbly. So I'll come back on my own without the phone. Showing you guys around, risking it. Oh, and I'd really love to have like nice pictures here. Woo! These are my people, guys. Woo! This was so amazing. Love it. People are really amazing. Come to Ocean Park. Come. Okay, so later that night we went to Pasig River. So yes, that's where we are.
Home and no feet in your life. When everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know your life. And I don't know to see me. Cause you don't think that they understand.
Landscape, make the landscape. Best walk. Best walk. You are here. Where does food else what? Samantha. Where does food does what?
I'm here.
Finally reached the part all of you have been waiting for. When you guys were wondering why we were all screaming and it looked like I was eating something scary. It's up next.
Okay, this is their first time trying balot. Trying balot for the yeah. You need to crack it. Nah, no, they need to crack it. Nah.
Okay, so guys, what's happening is it is a duck. A duck egg that was boiled. It had reached a certain stage of development where it had grown and they cooked it and they were trying to get me to eat it.
How? It's alive. You need to lick the liquid. No, man.
Yeah, go.
Nah, bro, I'll pass.
Right? It's just an egg.
No.
And you need to put some yeah, suka. That's how you eat the balon.
Wait.
Yeah, you
It's
have,
alive. No,
yeah, you have to. No, it's it's a lot of protein, na girl.
nah, bro.
And then you put some vinegar, salt, just salt.
This thing is
But you have to eat as well, na. No.
Eat it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Add some salt.
guys, he's eating
Yeah.
like that.
Yes. Yes.
Ah,
Okay.
it's a live duck.
How's it?
Nah,
It's an egg.
bruh. Thank God I didn't eat it first.
Are you okay?
Guys, we have plastic river. It's so there's no way I'm walking all the way to that end. Ain't no way, guys. Guys, love is beautiful.
Oh, so cute.
So guys, I guess this brings us to the end of my vlog. Comment, like, subscribe, and let me know how you think I can improve it. So the next videos to be really, really exciting. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.